After a full redesign for 2023, the Ford F350 moves into 2024 with only minor tweaks. This is the F-Series Super Duty truck to get when you need serious towing and hauling capability. An F350 crew cab with four-wheel drive, the dual rear-wheel setup and the high-output diesel engine is rated to tow up to 28,000 pounds with a conventional trailer hitch, for example. Alternatively, the F350 can haul up to 8,000 pounds in certain configurations. This isn't a simple beast of burden either. Ford offers loads of helpful technology features that range from big digital displays in the cabin to a multi-view towing camera system. The bottom line here is that Ford's Super Duty line is the most recently fully redesigned heavy-duty truck available, giving it highly competitive if not class-leading levels of towing, tech and luxury. The 2024 F350 is designed to cover a wide range of use cases, from everyday work truck to private luxury toy tow rig to night-on-the-town date ride. And thanks to its huge number of engine, cab and bed configurations, it does just that. But at the core of every F350 is a serious ability to tow things as heavy as houses. Think of the XL trim as a fleet truck made for work applications. Its vinyl upholstery and flooring are pure utility. Upper trims offer every imaginable feature, including heated and ventilated leather front seats, heated rear seats, a 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system and a massive twin-panel sunroof. There are three main competitors to the F350 and two of them are nearly identical. The Chevy Silverado 3500 HD and GMC Sierra 3500 HD both offer a refresh for 2024, including revised exterior and interior styling and modernized infotainment screens.